In India, 26th November is celebrated as Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas. This day is celebrated to commemorate the introduction of our Constitution. On 26th November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the longest constitution, that is, Constitution of India. The Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950, known as Republic Day in India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. Since 2015, the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the government decided to celebrate Constitution Day. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the president. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution of any other country in the world. It is the holy book of Indian Republic. If it is followed up aptly, India will be a democratic nation. Indian Constitution was prepared in 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to be precise. We, as the future generation of India, should know our responsibility to be a loyal citizen. We must respect our Constitution as it is the pride of our nation. Happy Constitution Day. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Constitution Day in India. In every year on 26th November, we are celebrating our Constitution Day. It's from and the help from the great personality peoples and made from the main man with a legend place. His name is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He's a man with great braces and gave us the Constitution. He is also known as the father of Indian Constitution. Constitution Day is also known as Samvidhan Divas. Today we are celebrating our 71st Constitution Day in India. On 2020, November 26, this day as Sol Gautam. And I am telling this day as a most eligible bachelors. Constitution means doing right things and defeating wrong things with these constitution papers. And I am giving you a main apologies for these things and applauding for our constitution members and the law. They are strength in constitution. And I am wishing all happy Constitution Day. Thank you for the patient listening. Jai Hind.
Good morning to all. Myself, I am Iba Fatima from class 7A. Today, I am telling about Indian Constitution Day. The National Constitution Day is celebrated on the 26th November every year to commemorate the introduction of our Constitution. The final draft of Indian Constitution, which is longest in world, was adopted on 26 November 1949 after almost 2 years, 11 months and 70 days. On the Republic Day, that is 26th January 1915, the Constitution of India was formally adopted in Indian Union. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar is known as the father of. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi everyone, I am here to speak about Constitution Day of India. Constitution Day of India is also known as Samvidhan Divas. It is celebrated every year on November 26th. To commemorate the adoption of independence India's constitution. Constitution determines the basic principles and laws of a nation. It determines the powers and duties of government and guarantees certain rights to the people. Constituent Assembly of India was selected to frame the India Constitution of India in 1946. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the president. We celebrated Constitution Day on November 26th and Republic Day on January 26th. Being a citizen, responsibilities and duties of Constitution should be followed by all of us. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and students. I am CRTS from 7A. Today I am here to say a few words about the Indian Constitution Day. The Constitution Day, also known as National Law Day, is celebrated in India on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted to the Constitution of India and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, recognized as the father of the Constitution of India. The Government of India declared 26 November as Constitution Day on 19 November 2015 by a Gazette notification. The Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, made the declaration on 11 October 2015 while laying the foundation stone of the B.R. Ambedkar's Statue of Equality Memorial in Mumbai. The year of 2021 was the 131st birth anniversary of Ambedkar, who had chaired the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly and played a pivotal role in the drafting of the Constitution. Previously, this day was celebrated as Law Day. 26 November was chosen to spread the importance of the Constitution and to spread thoughts and ideas of Ambedkar.
Good morning, my name is Krishnaveni K.R. from 7th A. Today I am going to speak some words about Constitution Day. Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas, also known as National Law Day, is celebrated in India on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted to the Constitution of India and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Government of India declared 26 November as Constitution Day. On 19 November 2021, by a Gazette notification, the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, made the declaration of 11th October 2015 while laying the foundation stone of the B.R. Ambedkar Statue of Equality Memorial in Mumbai. The year of 2021 was the 131st birthday anniversary of Ambedkar, who had chaired the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly and played a pivotal role in the drafting of the Constitution. Previously, this day was celebrated as Law Day. 26 November was chosen to spread the importance of Constitution and to spread thoughts and ideas of Ambedkar. Thank you. Have a nice day.